Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I asked on Facebook what look that y'all wanted to see, and a colorful summer look is what y'all chose. That was the most popular. If you like this look, then go down below and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel while you're down there and join the beauty squad. That would mean so much to me. We are so close to 100 subscribers. It's so crazy to me. I'm so excited. And I guess without further ado, if y'all want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep watching. Please do not pay attention to how dirty it is, but I want to do something with these colors right here. Take the shade right here. We are going to work that in our crease. My eyelids are already primed and set with a powder. I'm gonna take this color right here and add that on top of that to deepen that crease up just a little bit. I'm going to take this color right here with a little bit more defined brush. It has like a point on it. We're gonna take this and really slowly and build it up. Start making that outer V shape. Now we're gonna take this, I'm using the same brush and taking the shadow right below, popping that even lower in the crease and in that outer corner. And we'll clean this up right here too. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, this is one of my favorite brushes. It's the concealer brush, and it's actually from e.l.f. and it's teeny tiny. And I'm getting this Shape Tape concealer, and it's actually too light for me to be a concealer, but I like to cut the crease with it, and I put a little bit of it on the back of my hand. Keep my eyes open. And just touch that where I want to cut the crease. And then I'll close my eyes and fill that in. Now, I am going to take a flat brush and this color right here and pack it on top of where I just did that concealer. This is where it gets like super messy, I feel. Now I am going to take this color right beside it, and it's a matte version, kind of the same color. Taking a small shader brush, and I'm gonna blend that harsh line out. I'm taking that like darker blue, like cobalt blue, just a teeny tiny bit of that, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner, just to kind of keep that blue theme going. And this is the Midnight Cowboy Urban Decay Heavy Metal, and it's very thin like an eyeliner. And what I'm doing is on this line right here, I'm putting that glitter. Now, as that is drying a little bit, we are going to clean up underneath our eyes and start working on our base. I am going to use, this is a Lancome 24-hour foundation. I just got a sample because I'm still tanning, so I didn't want to buy, and it's already a little bit too pale for me, but we're gonna bronze and we're gonna make it work. Okay, I'm using the Master Conceal, Maybelline Master Conceal in light medium. And the Dermablend translucent powder. And setting my under eyes. And everywhere that I put concealer or I want lighter. Okay, now I'm taking Cool Beige, Dermablend also. If you watch my videos, you know I've been loving this powder. And just kind of setting the rest of my face and blending it in. Just gonna start warming my face up just a little bit. Okay. Now I'm gonna take Milani's blush and Berry and More. I should know what this is by now because I love it so much. Pop that on my cheeks. And now the highlight. I'm taking a Laura Geller Gilded Honey, this middle one right here. Woo! There we go. See if you can. Okay, now for the under eyes, I am taking the same colors and running them underneath. Now we're going to go with this color and mix it a little with this color. I'm getting a flat shader brush and I'm going to go in with this color right here. I want this color on my bottom. This is a cobalt blue. I'm not sure that's what it's really called or not, but this is CoverGirl Liquiline Blast. I don't see the color on there. But anyway, it is a cobalt blue. It's very close to the blue that we put in the outer corner. I'm gonna run that on my waterline. We're going to smoke that out. Okay, now for the brow bone highlight, I'm taking this first color right here. I'm gonna pop that on my brow bone and on my inner corner. Ooh, that highlight's gorgeous. Now I'm going to coat my lashes with the Voluminous Lash Paradise. It is L'Oreal. I'm like, what is this? This is a dupe to the Too Faced 100%. clean off this bake right there. NYX Lingerie satin ribbon. We're doing a very nude lip since our eyes are like so crazy. And that is the final look, y'all. If you enjoyed this look, please go down below and click the subscribe button and join the beauty squad. That would mean so much to me, and give it a thumbs up while you're down there. And I hope you guys have a great day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.